Hello students, the given question is from test series 2, subject analog, from the chapter operational amplifier and its application. The given question is of 2 marks question. In question, we need to find out the output voltage V0 for this following circuit in volts. This is the given circuit. It is having 2 op amps, that is op amp 1 and op amp both are connected in series. The negative terminal of op amp 1 is connected with 3 resistance. 3 resistance value are 4 kilo ohms and 4 kilo ohms and 2 kilo ohms, and negative terminal of this 4 kilo ohms another end is grounded. The positive terminal of this op amp 1 is connected to 2 volts. The output of op amp 1 is connected to negative terminal of op amp 2, and positive terminal of op amp 2 is connected to 4 volts, and op amp 2 output is V0. We need to find out this value, that is V0 value. In op amp 1, the voltage at inverting input is equal to voltage at non-inverting input, that is 2 volts, and from op amp 2, voltage at inverting input is equal to voltage at non-inverting input, that is 4 volts. The current values and the directions are as shown here. The 1 milliamps is flows through from operational amplifier op amp 1 and 2 milliamps is flows through op amp 2. So from op amp 1, 2 divided by 4 plus 2 minus V1 by 4 plus 2 minus V2 by 2 equal to 0. So V1 by 4 plus V2 by 2 is equal to 2. Or we can write in this way, V1 plus 2V2 equal to 8. This we'll call it as equation 1. Now substitute a value for the V2. V2 is 4 volts. We'll substitute in this equation, that is equation 1. Hence equation will be V1 plus 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So V1 value is 0. The output of op amp 1, that is V1 is equal to 0. Then V2 minus V1 by 4 plus V2 minus 2 by 2 plus V2 minus V0 by 2 equal to 0. Substituting the V2 value, that is V2 is equal to 4. 4 minus V1 by 4 plus 4 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 4 minus V0 by 2, 0. So we can rearrange like this. 2 plus 2 is equal to V0 by 2. Hence by simplifying we'll get V0 as 8 volts. So V0 for this circuit is 8 volts. So output of op amp 1, that is V, is 0 volts, and V0, that is op amp 2 output voltage, is 8 volts. From this question we learned the V0, that is output voltage for the given circuit. Thank you.